footsteps of my Father. And I want to live everything that I have in the man I am. Is how you build me up, and now I can see. I know you, and now I know myself. I know myself. It's been a cold November. I never thought I'd reach December, but I'll fight for my life into my lover. I'll ask you to be true. Have my words hurt you? I just want you to breathe. I love you. You made me love myself. I love myself. My hands are stained red from the fighting with my brothers, but now I've discovered I know you, just like I know myself. In this life, we have to make a difference. So we'll write a song. I'll write a song. I want to follow in the footsteps of my Father, and I want to live